This is questions 1 and 4 in exercise 8.4 in New Concise Project Maths 3a. We have to find the slope of the tangent to the curve x squared minus 3x plus 2 at the point 1, 0. So the slope of a tangent to a curve at a given point would be the rate of change of that curve at that point. Now that might sound a bit complicated, but when we actually go through the steps to figure this out, it'll kind of make more sense. So what we've been given so far is y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2. If we differentiate that, if we get dy dx, what we have then is going to be 2x minus 3. And what this is this is a formula for calculating the slope of a tangent to the initial curve, y, at any given point x. So we just need to know the point x that we're going for, and we can substitute that in and we will get our slope out from that. Since we know that it's at the point 1, 0, we know that x is equal to 1 in this case, because that's the x value from our point. So from that it means that our slope m is going to be equal to 2 times 1 minus 3, which is going to be 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. So the slope of the tangent to the curve y at the point 1, 0 is going to be minus 1. But let's take a look at the next question, question 4, and we'll take that concept a little bit further. So in question 4, we're asked to find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals x squared minus x minus 2 at the point 2, 0. In order to find the equation of any line, we need a point on the line and we need the slope of the line. So we've been given the curve itself, and since we're trying to find a tangent to the curve, we're going to need to differentiate to find the slope of that tangent. So r dy dx from this is going to be equal to 2x minus 1. We just differentiated y. And now what we're going to do is we're going to say that x is equal to 2, because we need the slope of the tangent to the curve at the point 2, 0. In other words, when x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, m is equal to 2 times 2 minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So we have our slope of 3. Now we're going to use our equation of a line formula, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. x1 and y1 just come from the point that's on the line, which is going to be the point we're given here, 2, 0, so it's our x1 and our y1. And we calculated m out in the first part of our question over to the left. So if we substitute all those values in, we're going to get y minus 0 equals 3 times x minus 2. So y is equal to 3x minus 6, which you can leave that as. That is a totally acceptable equation of a line. If you want to put it slightly differently and move all the x's and y's to the same side, you get 3x minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. But either of those would be acceptable as an answer for this question. And that is that.